Hello, viewers. Welcome to Inspiring Geeks. Let's read out Winter Winds. The cold winter winds fell softly in the night, while dreams of summer kept me warm as I slept under my goose down blanket. As the wind driven snow made a pitter patter sound on the glass panes of my windows, I huddled with my pillow. With the cold winter night crept in through the cracks of my old country cabin. Walking from my sleep, Waking from my sleep, I pulled up a chair to my frosted window pane, watching a cold north wind run down the northern slopes, stripping what leaves that were left, clinging to the bare trees that lined the road to my door. So, this poem was written by, uh, let's see, C.J. Kreger, and it's really nicely written, and I guess there couldn't be anything prettier to read about winter winds than this poem. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Love you all.